Hi guys, I'm really sorry about that, but Parag's internet wasn't too good, but now he'll be here. So today's chat is on rejection, which is every actor's angst, and basically we have to go through that on almost on a daily basis until we get that one role. And then in between the films, you're waiting for your next role. I've known Parag for many, many years now, and I have watched him become this most amazing casting director and producer. So let me get him on. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Hello, Auntie. How are
I'm
you?
good. How are you?
Very good.
Thank you so much for doing this. I know you're so busy,
No, no,
and where I've dragged you to do a live with me.
no worries. It's okay. I mean, it's fantastic that I'm here with you
Yes.
and speaking about something amazing thing. And I've been watching your live videos. They're doing some amazing things. So
Thank you.
that's
Thank you
great.
so much. Thank you. So
Yeah,
Parag, I besides we are going to talk about the acting because I know that you know an actor's mind backwards is what I feel. I feel you've always had that instinct about what an actor's pain is
correct.
because you yourself did a few films in the beginning.
Yeah.
You know what an actor's rejection feels like. You're always waiting for that one film, you're always waiting for that one director to believe in you. But before we go into that, I want to ask you now, you've been in this industry for how many years?
I guess 14 years.
Oh, only 14, I thought 20.
No,
Okay.
no.
So,
14.
in these 14 years,
Hmm.
tell me what have been your two most important learnings for Parag Mehta, the human being, not the casting director, not the producer, for Parag, for his heart.
हाँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ज्यादा the biggest learning which I have learned it, what I have learned is patience. That you need to
Means sabar, sabar रखना,
सब्र रखना.
sabar करना.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Patience रहना, and you keep working towards your goals. You never know when it's going to happen. It will going to happen. So you get that kind of sort of believe in yourself. That what I've learned. Like the patience, and you keep working on yourself. You keep working on your goals. No matter what, eventually it will all materialize for you. Thank you,
So
guys.
you
There
know
are a lot of people joining with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Sorry, I'm just unable to. हम लोग बात कर रहे जा रहे हैं, and later on, will everybody will take questions also.
we later on हम सबके साथ बात करेंगे. We just talk for a little while and then we'll take questions because I know
बिल्कुल,
कि कितने सारे questions आने वाले हैं. तो हम
हम्म,
ज्यादा वक्त बात नहीं करेंगे.
बिल्कुल,
Just little bit इसके बारे में कि आपके दो दो learnings क्या है. एक है सब्र करना और काम करते ही
काम
जाना. मतलब वो बंद
करते.
कभी मत करना. क्या होता है हम जब भी ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं हो रहा है, then you feel like quitting, है
Absolutely,
ना?
and that's what exactly. So, and sometimes what happens that you are almost at the finishing line, and
हाँ.
that is where you feel that this is that okay, I don't want to do it anymore, and it's done, and I'm done. And you just don't know keep that exactly at the you are at the finishing line,
तो वही
and
तो. यस.
yeah, that exactly you are
Okay.
at the finishing line, and this is something we need to keep working on ourselves. Okay, no matter what, you keep moving forward. Eventually, everything will work out.
या क्वांटम फिजिक्स में कहते हैं that once you reach, you sometimes get stuck at 49%, and then
Absolutely.
keep at it, and one fine day you'll go 51. एक
बिल्कुल.
बारी 51% हो जाए, then you're home and dry.
You're home and right. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. And now look at you yourself. You have such an amazing journey from supermodel to you have been to on a life spiritual journey. Then you become an
Yes.
actress and like amazing. And look at yourself the way you like every time you're such a positive person. Like I would like to tell you one thing that Nandini auntie has been always a big supportive of me and my journey. and Hamesha somebody who's been with me, like I would say like my mother only. So thank you, auntie, for being always there and guiding us, fighting for me, and letting me know. So thank you so much.
You know, you're so such a precious child to me कि मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है if someone treats you badly.
Thank you.
The Bengali tigress comes out in me.
No, no, no. Thank you, auntie. And this something. Anyways, चलो चलो चलो. Sorry, sorry. I just
तो
मैं थोड़ा सा
छोड़
divert.
दो. अच्छा, तो शानू शर्मा के साथ आप असिस्टेंट थे.
Correct.
I met Parag when he was assisting Shanu, and from there to now, my God, Parag. So one lesson is sabar karna, patience, and the next one is
Just keep working hard. Keep moving forward. The result will come when it has to. It will come. अभी वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए भूल जाओ. वो ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. Because if things are meant for you, it will come to you.
okay. And what do you do कि हर रोज आप इतने सारे auditions देते हो? You keep going for auditions. ये मेरी जिंदगी में हुआ है. I keep doing so many. The last thing I did was Broken but Beautiful. Siddharth Shukla was in that.
Correct.
And we were supposed to do 3 seasons. So एक season तो हो गया. And then, very sadly, Siddharth passed away. And then it didn't happen. It was around COVID time, and because of budgets, they stopped paying for airfares, and a character actor's budget became very little.
A little.
I had to move to another city, so my whole work came to a halt. So, what does an actor like me do? Tell me, for example.
सी मुझे क्या लगता है ना सी एक्टर की लाइफ यू हैव चोजन अ लाइफ विच इज एक सीट है 5,000 एप्लीकेशन है ओके
Ah,
एंड ओके नाउ लाइक एवरीबडी फील्स दैट दे आर गुड ओके एंड प्रैक्टिकली वो 5,000 एप्लीकेशन में से 100 से 200 लोग हैं 200 पीपल दे आर लिटिल क्लोजर टू दैट चेयर because they've been part of the circle for quite some time. They
ah,
know the job very well. They know their craft very well. Okay. तो ये काम मिलना और ना मिलना ये चलते रहेगा.
ah,
ओके
ah.
ओके अगर आप ये सोचोगे कि दिस इज व्हाट इट इज मुझे एक जॉब मिल जाएगा और मुझे नेक्स्ट जॉब मिल जाएगा तो ये नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट दैट फील्ड ओनली. दिस फील्ड इज ऑल अबाउट कि आपको पता नहीं है कि नेक्स्ट क्या होने वाला है. दैट इज व्हाट इट गिव्स यू अ काइंड ऑफ किक आल्सो इन लाइफ बिकॉज अगर आपको एक रेगुलर जॉब करनी होती देन यू वुड बी इन एनी अदर फील्ड वेयर यू डूइंग
Yes.
every Monday to Friday jobs, okay, where you're getting your salaries on time and everything is like as per the routine. But यहाँ पे वो नहीं है.
Ah,
And obviously now उसका ये repercussion भी यही है कि because actors after one job you have to keep looking for another job. So
yes.
what I feel number one, you should keep working on yourself, on your craft, number one. And number two, you should definitely have a parallel income where you have to plan something around what you can do with this. अगर आप एज एक्टर हो तो आप और क्या चीजें कर सकते हो आपको प्लान करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है ओके whoever's been जो भी सुन रहा है मेरे साथ में जुड़ा हुआ है अभी एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है एक्टर बनने की जर्नी में आपको कोई रोक सकता है नॉट बिकॉज यू आर बैड एक्टर because your financial planning is not correct. You didn't think about it.
Yes.
I think this is what is the biggest problem. जो भी है like thank you Sandeep for saying yes, but I'm just telling you कि most of the people who's joining they're saying also right now in the comment section they all are writing and replying. मुझे लगता है कि anybody, so मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if once your plan B, I'm not now I know कि every actor says कि नहीं मेरा तो लक्ष्य यही है मुझे यही करना है.
Ah,
Every actor then tells me मुझे तो acting ही करना है
ah,
मुझे. But the time change, you living in a city which is very expensive
yes.
and you're in a profession which is a amazing profession but still it's not um, uh,
It's
it's
a
not well
tough,
defined. There are
बहुत tough profession है.
बहुत टफ प्रोफेशन है
हाँ,
जहाँ पे आपको अपने पैसों के लिए फाइट करनी पड़ती है. ओके
हाँ,
आपको आपको अपने मेंटल हेल्थ को ठीक करने के लिए फाइट करनी पड़ती है,
हाँ
आपको अपने हर चीज के लिए फाइट करनी पड़ती है। सो अगर आपका फाइनेंशियल प्लान, सॉरी आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक, सो अगर आपकी फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग अगर सही नहीं होगी, तो एज एन एक्टर इट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम। दिस इज व्हाट आई फील। आई होप आई जस्ट गिव
तो पराग, जो ये जो फाइनेंशियल फॉल बैक जो होना चाहिए, that should be like a part-time job, because if you do a full-time job फिर एक्टिंग के लिए कैसे निकालोगे टाइम?
आई थिंक दैट समथिंग एवरी इंडिविजुअल के ऊपर है कि वो
हाँ
क्या कर सकता है ना। अब समथिंग यू थिंक पार्ट टाइम जॉब करके यू मेकिंग दैट मच मनी एंड इट वर्क्स फॉर यू, सो इट वर्क्स ओके, बट समटाइम्स यू फील कि नो मुझे फुल टाइम करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज सबकी अपनी लाइफ की कंडीशंस अलग है ना। like what you
बिल्कुल।
auntie, I don't know, I see, I my sympathies are with you, but
देखिए
what
मैं
is your
बताऊं मैंने क्या किया, मैं
बिल्कुल।
बताऊं,
हाँ
यही
प्लीज।
मुझे आई टू थिंक कि अब मैं क्या करूं, बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट। आई डोंट, मैं किसी के ऊपर मुझे अपने सहारा पे जीना है, नॉट टू
बिल्कुल
डू विद एनीबडी एल्स।
बिल्कुल।
आई हैव बिकम अ डिजिटल बिजनेस ओनर।
फैंटास्टिक, that's
तो इट्स
something।
ऑनलाइन, मेरा पूरा ऑफिस ये है,
हाँ
तो मैं कहाँ भी काम कर सकती हूँ।
बिल्कुल।
and it's automated tools while I'm like in sleeping, the work is going on, I'm getting clients, it's happening, because I realized that I have to do something else.
एंड मुझे
So
लगता है एंड दिस इज समथिंग विद लाइक यू एट दिस एज यू डूइंग इट। तो मुझे लगता है जितने भी हमारे साथ यंग एक्टर्स जुड़े हुए हैं, एंड ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी। अब मैं इस बात पे रोऊंगा कि मुझे ये क्यों नहीं मिला, मुझे तो ये
हाँ
मिलना ही चाहिए था। अब इस बात का आंसर नहीं है, somebody has a golden spoon, so somebody has it, somebody
yes
has to fight and make it for themselves, that golden spoon. I have to buy it, so I have to buy it now.
yeah
तो ये बहुत सारी चीजों का मिक्सचर है। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। ओके, तो फिर क्या होगा ना, जब आप वापस जॉब के लिए जा रहे हो, आप एक्टिंग के लिए जब आप ऑडिशन देने जा रहे हो, तो इट्स लाइक यू विल गिव योर 100% टू इट।
हाँ
बिकॉज क्या, कुछ चीज हमें बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए रहती है ना, हम वहीं पे कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम गड़बड़ कर देते हैं। बिकॉज योर माइंड सेट, योर अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स द होल थिंग इज लाइक आई वांट दिस, आई वांट दिस, आई वांट दिस।
तो थोड़ा
So you
desperation जैसे बनता है ना,
aspiration
it's
is so much,
desperate।
you will not be able to give your 100% to it.
हाँ
It's like जब छोटा बच्चा एक्टिंग करता है ना, उसको कोई पड़ी नहीं, he just enjoys himself, because he thinks कि okay ये मैं अच्छा करूंगा, I'm going to get something out of it, and that's it, he just enjoys it. So and that thing works for him. So that's what I feel.
I agree.
Please
It's given me so much confidence. I feel so confident now that I'm doing something, I'm earning something, I'm not dependent on something that maybe and
yeah,
maybe not.
and मुझे ऐसा लगता है आंटी also, for every actor ना, you must work
Yeah.
every day. ये sitting at home, I know कि सब लोग बोलते हैं कि I'm going to gym, I'm working on my speech, I'm working on my craft, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है you going to gym for 1 hour, you working on your craft 1 hour, and it's done, you are free the whole day. Okay,
Yes.
जब ऑडिशन आएगा तब आएगा। जब आप किसी को, आप नेटवर्किंग के लिए किसी को कॉल करोगे, मिलने जाओगे, कितने दिन मिलने जाओगे, जो भी यहाँ पे मेरे साथ है सबको पता है, लाइक आई नो सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स, उनका दिन ही दोपहर से चालू होता है, लाइक दे स्टार्ट देयर डे ओनली बाय 2, they wake up at 2, they go to gym, they come back at 5 6, then they have a 1 or 2 hour, they will call people and the day is over. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है ऐसे एक्टर से जो बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं करते हैं। इट इज नॉट ओनली, सी नाउ एक्टर इज नॉट ओनली जस्ट टू वर्क ऑन योर क्राफ्ट, बट overall कि you working somewhere, so you doing something, and I think that's what now it makes uh, uh, क्या बोलते हैं, that somehow I feel that something it will change, the actor will have that finesse always with them,
It completes you.
yeah it,
When you're busy every day, when you're going out, you're communicating with other human beings. It also broadens your acting capabilities, I feel. अलग अलग लोगों से मिलना, बात करना, learning new skills, anywhere, whichever job you take, learning new skills opens your mind, opens your brain cells. It completes a human being. If you're
बिल्कुल
just sitting at home, and that's what I liked about you, Parag. You wanted to join the films, but you started working with Shanu.
correct.
And then you
And
went
I
on
like
working. So it was,
I
you didn't
finished
stop. You
my
you understood
I
that.
finished my graduation. I also did my mass communication journalism and uh, advertisement. I went to film school also. Then I left that, and then I joined a job, and
Yes.
then things started. But मुझे ऐसा but I always one thing was very clear that I want to work every day. So today also uh, now right now jobs are not that much. सबको मालूम है कि casting बहुत कम हो रही है आजकल.
अच्छा
And so
क्यों?
huh?
Why?
Just nothing. It's just a time. It's a phase where the project's going to start. So it's like pre things are happening right now, but not auditioning much. ज़्यादा नहीं हो रही है
Oh,
अभी. कम हो. Projects are happening, but they are very less compared to जो पहले
before.
होते थे. हाँ, अभी कम हो गया है. So eventually it will start once again going to
Yes.
pick up now month or 2 months something. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि something you have to keep working on yourself. So I'm also right now, I'm reading, I'm writing, I'm watching, and like I started making some content to
Yes.
figure out क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. So I'm constantly working on myself. I'm learning and relearning, you know. So that's it.
So that
There is a
active learning is very active
hmm,
learning is a learning where what you're saying, you're watching, you're reading, you're brainstorming, you're open to learning from other people, you're meeting other people, and you're getting up and going somewhere every day.
correct.
इस बार हरे कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो घर में बैठो कुछ मत करो.
बिल्कुल.
It's you're not doing that.
No, you're not doing
Yeah,
that. And
yeah,
and then you will do what your heart will tell you.
yes.
And this whole anxiousness, nervousness, anxiety will go. And it is very much necessary.
Yes, it's very much part of this. I think this time is also like that. There's generally a lot of anxiousness, there's that constant need to make it like very, very huge. So that, and that can actually, like just stun you and then you don't do anything. As you were saying, कि 3 बजे उठो, फिर जिम जाओ, फिर आराम से कुछ और करो, and you don't do, you're not active with your
You're
life. So,
not
Parag, you want to answer some of the questions? Would you like to answer some?
yeah. Asif Sayyed, I don't know if you're here.
I'm just
You said the more your
starting the
opinion,
window.
so even if you don't like an actor in the introduction, still you should audition him, otherwise we'll lose a good actor. We definitely आसिफ हम हमेशा एक्टर्स को है ना ऑडिशन करते ही है वेदर उनके
Yes.
इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छे हो या ना हो हम करते हैं बट क्या होता है ना इट हैज बिकम अ नॉर्म जैसे पहले लोग अपने पिक्चर्स लेके जाते थे लोगों को मिलते थे तो अब ये हो गया कि इंट्रोडक्शन मांगते ही मांगते हैं
Yes.
बिकॉज इंट्रोडक्शन इज अबाउट योर सेल्फ कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो कैसे बोल रहे हो अगर आप अपने बारे में किसी को नहीं बता पा रहे हो सो देन you know that later on the acting comes because our director wants to meet a person in first and then later on the acting and the film बातें चालू होगी so that's it.
Number
तो मैं
one.
बस
So,
num-
what is a good introduction? Just what would be a good introduction?
a good introduction where you are just yourself you're talking to the person you're not giving them the information but you are telling them the information कि ये हुआ वो हुआ and you in a way where you जो रटा रटाया नहीं है and it's about yourself about where are you from what you have done and what your life has been so far.
Okay. And how long should it
तो
be?
दो तरीके के होते हैं एक होता है कि विच इज लाइक 30 सेकेंड
Ah,
जो नेम नंबर एज हाइट प्रोफाइल्स ये वो
yes.
और एक होता है विच दे टेल यू अबाउट यू स्पीक अबाउट योरसेल्फ जो आजकल बहुत ज्यादा डायरेक्टर्स करवाते हैं कि लेट एक्टर्स स्पीक अबाउट देमसेल्व्स यू नो सो पता चलता है कि एक्टर की इमेजिनेशन क्या है
Ah,
बात करता है लाइक लैंग्वेज क्या है कितनी पकड़ है उस पे so that can be around 1 minute 30 seconds max
like a reel.
that's it like a reel absolutely तो उससे ज्यादा टाइम ही नहीं है ना Now, so many people will come on this feed, they see the live, they understand, and then they want to move forward because
Yeah.
patience नहीं है. You know, it happens with me also. ये नहीं है कि सबके साथ में, मेरे साथ में भी होता है. I also go on live. I will wait for some time. मजा नहीं आ रहा, चलो लेट्स मी गो एंड वॉच समथिंग एल्स. वापस से मन में होता है चलो वापस से गो बैक. तो वी कांस्टेंट process, and it's very difficult to hold on to something and have patience with that.
Yes. It's true. It's true. Any other questions are there?
Sandeep is asking ke Sandeepa, sorry Sandeepa. Sandeepa is saying, but nowadays casting director calls their own actor, friends or for the screen test. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. अब सी कैसा है ना, अभी बोलने के लिए तो सब कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. Like I know auntie for so long, and I know she's a brilliant actor, but it's been such a long time. Even we haven't tested her, right? And it's not that she has not done. She has done amazing work, but something needs to come where we can test her. We can, use her caliber where she fits from. और आजकल का कास्टिंग में भी बहुत ज्यादा चीजें मिक्सचर हो गई. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट योर एक्टिंग, but it's also about your looks, it's also about your timing, kismat, and everything needs to fall into place.
Absolutely.
And also a likability about an actor. And agar, as a person, if I'm not happy and I don't know what my feelings I'm going through, तो person likable होने ही नहीं वाला है, so बहुत सारी चीजों का मिक्सचर है, तो वो देखना पड़ेगा. Please, auntie, anything else you want to forward? Hi, Sashikant ji. My mama is also there. Mama is
Sweet.
also here. And lot of people. Hi, Vicky. Vicky is from Canada.
Say hi.
Is joined.
So sweet. So Parag, tell me
Yeah.
something about your work as a producer. How did you get into production?
So I started. So I always wanted to do, like, I always wanted to write, direct, and produce things. So, but I started with original film. So I produced this three films. First film was Godavari, where I was a co-producer with my friend Amit Dogra and one more person. And then me and Amit went ahead and produced one more film, Circuit, with Madhur Bhandarkar sir,
Yeah.
who's which released last year. And there's one more film is coming called Me versus Me with Amrita Subhash and Sonali Kulkarni.
Okay.
So this film which I produced it, and I always wanted to do something, and I felt it that Marathi cinema, regional cinema is doing so well, and the budgets are in our control. Okay,
Yes.
Hindi films need more budget, and it needs, like, a lot of things where Marathi budget films can be made in a certain budget, and you can control it. So that was the thing. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a shot. That also, and we did, and we produced three films. So yeah, it's still a journey. The third film is going to release very soon, hopefully. So this is what it is.
Yeah. And going back to what you were saying about like getting a job. Firstly, my age. I'm not young, like most of you must be really young people on this chat who are actors. But you have to, as he said, you have to have courage. And I promise you, I didn't just quickly find a digital business. I went and gave interviews to people. They liked me, but they went with somebody younger. So it was very frustrating for me because that who I was so dependent on TK. They're going to be 3 years of work with this thing, and suddenly it stopped happening.
I know.
And I was doing auditions. Auditions weren't happening. I was going physically for interviews, weren't happening. And someone says, look on the digital space, on the online space. I said, Baba, online. You feel skeptical about
Yeah,
online. And
yeah, yeah.
I took 1 year to decide, and I really studied this, and then I joined. So what I'm saying is that don't think how she's just saying she must have got a job easy. Nothing comes easy to anybody. You have to work hard for everything,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, abhi, like why it doesn't come easy to us now. Like as a young kid, even I remember that me and Tasha, we used to even tell ask you also कि why we have to go through so much, you know, why we have to suffer so much. But now there are a few things is I personally I feel it's better you keep working hard, keep moving ahead. At least at night you will get a peaceful sleep. You will
Exactly.
you will be happy at the end of the day. ठीक है ज़्यादा
Yes.
कुछ नहीं हुआ, but you know you did something, you learned something, you moved forward a day, and that's what the life is all about. I feel.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. So tell me another thing before we end. Are there any more questions over there?
I don't know. Let me check. How can actor get to Azu Batla ने question पूछा how can an actor get into work apart from acting, let's say as an assistant director in production. बिल्कुल यार आरजू मुझे क्या लगता है ना कुछ भी काम करो जैसे either you can be part with a writer, you can write something, you can be part of direction team, you can be part of production team. Okay, so you will understand how the film works, how the television works, how everything works, you know. So you will understand कि अच्छा इसका ये need है and this is the reason this is happening. So that also it will become very easy for you. I feel you must try it, must attempt. थक जाओगे क्योंकि ज्यादा काम होता
Yeah.
है, थका डाले, बट ट्रस्ट मी वो वहां से जो स्कूलिंग में से जो निकलोगे वो कमाल की होगी, and it will be fantastic by the end. Like you will learn so much, so you will know exactly ये जो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर होते हैं ना कि सिलेक्शन क्यों नहीं हुआ, अरे ये इसको जानता है, अरे वो सब तुम योर मोस्ट ऑफ योर आंसर्स विल गेट सॉल्व्ड बिकॉज यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली कि ऑन द सेट क्या हो रहा है, लोग कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, सिलेक्शन कैसे हुआ है, और फाइनली आउटपुट क्या निकला है. बिकॉज एक्टिंग इज ओनली द जॉब वेयर आप इतना मेहनत करके काम लेके आते हो, आपको काम मिलता है, फिर के बाद आपको पता नहीं है कि इसका अप्रिसिएशन होगा या नहीं होगा, एंड यू वेटिंग फॉर दैट अप्रिसिएशन. चलो अप्रिसिएशन हो भी गया, देन उस पता नहीं है नेक्स्ट काम मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, देन वंस अगेन यू गो फॉरवर्ड टू द होल थिंग. एंड आल्सो इसके लिए ना जैसे मिले कोई इंटर्नशिप में के थ्रू यू कैन गेट इनसाइट, एज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर यू गेट इनसाइट. सो जस्ट फिगर दिस आउट कि कैसे करना है. Radio Wali, Ashwini, we are serious bunch of actors here in London. Hello guys from the London. So nice to see you guys over here. And there's more people there from London. Thank you guys for joining. And thank you.
Hi, guys.
Acha, then Shana is saying when I had been casting. I hope also I gave you the answer. And Nandini, and in case if you want to add something to it, please. And if you want to go through, Auntie, any question, please go through it now so I can give an answer.
Let's
Before we
let's
end
just
it.
see this. There are many questions that have come. There are many questions that have come. How do we reach you?
Guys, my Insta ID you know already, Parag, and I'm always active on that. My WhatsApp is just not good idea to get into because इतने messages आते हैं. Auntie was please ask her. She was also trying to get in touch with me. नहीं हुआ, then she messaged me on Insta. I said okay, wait, I'm just coming. My WhatsApp was not working, and then I have an account Parag Mehta Casting at the rate. So please उस पे आ जाओ. Be in touch over there. And guys, I'm doing a 12-week challenge. Every week I'm giving exercise. मैं वो एक्सरसाइज जो भी एक्टर कर रहा है मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ, शॉर्टलिस्ट कर रहे हैं, हम उनको बुलाने वाले ऑफिस में. तो ये बात ये फर्स्ट वीक की एक्सरसाइज हुई थी जिसमें 3 लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए थे, पुष्पराज पटेल, निक्की नरूला एंड रूही आवला. And these 3 people they did some amazing thing. Okay, and now week 2 की भी exercise आ गई है, सारे informations आ गई है. So please उसको पढ़ो, attempt करो. You will learn also because every week we know कि क्या करना है, क्या करना है,
Yes.
कैसे जाना है. So it will a good learning space for you. And 12 week में every week 3 people. So total we have 36 actors. So I'm going to meet them and then we're going to do some amazing things with all of 36.
Fabulous.
So it's something which I'm doing it, and इसका कोई पैसा नहीं है तो anybody can come attempt and कर सकते हैं, you know. And वीडियो जो बनाओगे वो भी अपने Instagram अकाउंट पे ही पोस्ट करना है. Okay, just have to in caption you have to add hashtag crack the audition code and hashtag Parag Mehta casting, and वो भी information दी है, so please do that. It will become easier to get in touch with me.
Wow. So, Amy T. Only, thank you so much. Very sweet for me. She says, ever since I joined your life since 2020 lockdown, you're always looking fresh and pretty. Thank you, thank you. How can an actor get into work? Oh, apart from acting? Yes, he's already answered that. Do home auditions really work? Parag.
क्या?
Do home auditions really work? Of course they
Yeah,
really
yeah,
work.
obviously works. Now Nandini auntie is
Yeah,
in Bangalore and she gets job when she's
yeah,
at home and she sends the test. It really works. So don't worry.
yeah, they work. It depends on how, it depends on your belief and how well you do it, right, Parag?
Yeah,
Parag,
yeah.
can I ask you a question?
Please, please.
Can't you do this acting thing of yours online so we who live away from Bombay can also do it?
Now, now everybody is telling me कि please do this online audition. The only thing is what now मैं see now what is my problem with the online thing is that कि मुझे लगता है मैं I'm not in touch with you, so I don't know what you feeling, how you are feeling. I can only judge from what your face. So I don't know whether what I have been talking to you समझ में आया कि नहीं. But anyways मैं ये plan कर रहा हूँ.
Take
My team
small
is
groups. Take small groups of people if you have the time to do it. Take small groups, do a master class like of 2-3 hours, and then, as you said, then you give us a reel to do, and then you look at that, you'll understand that. You will. You have a very good sense of what do you call it. You have a very good connect with people. I feel that is my reading of
no,
you
no.
because I'm fully biased about you.
Thank
But
You're just too kind and you are generous. So don't worry. But I understand.
yeah,
Let me see. We'll figure this out, and I
yeah,
will come up with something also like that where we can do
yeah,
something online.
yeah.
So
To be
लोग
sure.
साथ में जुड़ सकते हैं
हाँ.
and कैसे जुड़ क्या कर सकते हैं that we can figure this out.
Actually, some more questions have come now, but I'm not, just see it now. I'm not wearing my glasses again.
No problem. Let me just go through it.
The thing, guys, is that you
आसिफ
have to be prepared.
आसिफ टॉकिंग ना तो उसको मैं अभी उसका मैं कुछ आंसर नहीं दे सकता यार अगर यू फील लाइक यू डोंट वांट टू गिव एन इंट्रोडक्शन it's okay like I understand but if you're asking me कि whether you will consider people for auditions if they have not given good introduction absolutely like I think we have just like spending a lot of time in thinking कि हम आपको introduction नहीं देना है तो आप मत दो आपको देना है आप दो what is going on in the market if you feel like you want to be part of it you do it if you don't feel like part of it don't do it so इतना मत सोचो यार ठीक है
हाँ.
देख है
So
ना
may I say something over here?
हाँ बोलिए ना
Acha, so what I do if it's something that I feel, oh God, how will I speak? And if I'm feeling jhijkod, then I just put on my phone recording and I speak like I'm speaking to some, like Parag, like he's my child. I speak to him, ke, हाँ Parag, ye hua, wo hua, yeah, I was feeling very bad. I was feeling, just normally I speak. And then I keep listening to that. And then I quickly put on the phone and I speak normally like ये मेरा रोज का कुछ है मैं किसी अपने से बात कर रही हूँ like I'm talking to my people then
अरे
there's no shyness in
मतलब
that
मैं
as
ये
soon as you do that
लाइक
that's
मैं
good
इतना उसको सोचना नहीं है यार आसिफ
हाँ
like you don't have to give it so much important now you give me कुमुद सर का example I know but मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ उतना उसको सोचना नहीं है anyways खम्बू के asking I think you're starting casting company in and around Darjeeling अभी सोचा तो नहीं अब तुमने लिखा है तो मैं पक्का कुछ सोचूंगा I will get in touch with you we'll figure this out कुछ दार्जिलिंग में कोलकाता में we are planning to do something very
wow
soon so where we want to do something in Kolkata because Kolkata has some amazing actors so we're going to do something very soon in Kolkata
fantastic
anything else the last question guys sorry hi Rahul I know Rahul Singh thank you I also bag a lot of lessons today. Sometimes I feel stuck, but again, what I need to. Rahul Singh, stuck होना It's a part of our regular life. Whatever we do, we get stuck. When you don't see result, we get stuck. When we
Yes.
don't think like मुझे लगता है मैं यहाँ पे पहुंचना चाहिए था और मैं नहीं पहुंच पाया. We get stuck. But the idea is that today we are breathing, okay? Our parents are around us, and good friends are around us. We are having good food, and we are very happy that हम लोग है ना injury free है, and we are not suffering from major illness. I think we should be very grateful for that. And trust me, we will keep moving forward. मुझे जितने भी एक्टर्स आते हैं ना आई रियली फील कि वी ऑल शुड गो वन डे एंड स्पेंड टाइम इन कैंसर हॉस्पिटल. समटाइम्स आई गो एंड डू दैट आल्सो, सो जस्ट टू गेट अ रियलिटी चेक हाउ लाइफ इज सो प्रेशियस, यू नो. एंड देन है ना ये आपको छोटा लगने लगेगा इवेंचुअली सब चीजें.
Absolutely.
आई होप
Absolutely.
आई नो आई विल गेट इट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग,
You know,
इवेंचुअली यू फील आपको
absolutely. I do a positive mindset masterclass because of this. And really, we have to actively choose to be positive no matter what is happening. Please understand, challenges are there in everyone's life.
करेक्ट.
A child feels challenged if you tell a kid, don't watch TV. That becomes a big challenge for the kid. So, as adults, we're going to have challenges, but we have to find creative solutions for the challenges.
Correct.
That's
Yes.
all. And we have to stay positive, as he's saying. Focus on all the silver linings, not on the cloud. Where you put your focus, that's what your life will reflect. So if only going to be anxious, then anxiety will be your
I
life.
think, I think we should end the whole session on this note today. Is that you said focus on the silver lining, not the
Yes.
cloud. And,
Yes.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah.
Like when you keep
Yeah.
silver lining, and I think everything going to work out for you.
Exactly. So I have this connect now. From when I was very little, I look at clouds and I say, God, there's a silver lining there. And then I think another thing when I look at the sky and clouds. This sky connects everybody. And then I just send that silver lining to everybody. That this is my silver lining, but I want everyone to share it. So if we all think like that, it's a very positive way of thinking.
But
It will make your worst day better.
thought when you look at the skies, like then we all are connected. I know
Yeah.
every somewhere. Like Ashwini is in London, you are in Bangalore, I'm in Mumbai, Rahul is somewhere else, Sandeepa is somewhere else.
Yes.
When we look at the sky, then somewhere we all have been connected
Yeah.
through the same. It's beautiful.
Exactly.
What a beautiful thought, Auntie. Auntie, thank you so much for inviting me today.
Well,
And let's end this note on a very positive note. Thank you, guys. Uh, we spoke and spoke from our heart, and I hope it helps you. Please follow Nandini Sen for a lot of positivity, motto, and she does some amazing lives on her Insta feed.
how
So
sweet. Thank you so much. Love you, Parag, so
thank
much.
thank you.
Please tell your parents that I am very proud of you. They must be very proud of you.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much.
Really. You're a part of my heart and you know that.
Thank you, Auntie.
Bye.
Cool. Bye. See you guys.
Bye,
See you guys.
everybody. Thanks for coming. Lots of love.
Coming.
Silver
Thank you.
lining every cloud, remember.
Remember.
Bye.